Well, hello, this is me, of course. If you hear some sounds in the background, sorry. But actually this is part 3 of Burps. It's part 3 of Burps, and people, you were watching my part 2. It's pretty much mostly all what it's about. It's part 3, Burps part 3. That's what I'm just giving you a shout out. The tomorrow next video will be Temple Run part. I'm gonna be making Temple Run part 2. So you will be watching Temple Run part 2. I know that you guys are probably wondering. I used to make videos every single day, for I think 1 week. But sometimes it's really hard to think of the videos. So if you're doing that, very much. So just saying, shout out. This is part 3 of Burps. Yeah, that's pretty much like always. So pretty much, guys, I like it that all of you guys know about all burps. You know that I'm really good at it. So pretty much, I'm really actually starting to be better at burps. Once I was playing Temple Run and I failed. Not good. I didn't shot a YouTube video about it. Maybe I should have, but I just didn't. So I guess pretty much you guys know that burps are really good for your stomach and so pretty much you know that burps are the best. Burps are the best cure for your butt. No, not for your butt, your mouth. Because that's where you do it. So, guys, you guys know what you're talking about, and I'm Mr. Isaiah Witchstone, and so pretty much, I guess, goodbye.